Today I'll be using the products from Creme of Nature, and it's the Argan Oil line. I've pre-pooed his hair the night before with some oil, and now I'm just going to begin by putting some conditioner in his hair to make it nice and soft to comb out. So wet the hair and put the shampoo on and make sure it lathers up, and get in there and give it a good scrub. Okay, so now it's time to rinse out all the shampoo that I've put in, and I only wash his hair once, but I make sure that I get everything out because sometimes I do leave shampoo in by accident. So give it a good rinse and just make sure all the soap comes out. His hair's growing so long now, it's literally like getting down his back, but his dad's gonna cut it off in the new year. Now that I've got my baby girl, he says it's time to cut his hair. At this point, Faris is totally over it. He's tapped out now, he's crying, so I'm just gonna dry his hair off and get him out of the bath. I'm just going to spray some leave-in conditioner on his hair while it's still damp, and spray more later. Oh no, I've lost some content. My battery died and I didn't know, but I've literally just done like a zigzag parting and cane rows going back.